I shouldn't have stopped just because people told me it couldn't be done. That was my mistake. Don't you make the same one. Creative, be flexible. Your thing may not come out looking exactly like you want it to, but that doesn't mean it failed. Sometimes you don't have the right tools. Sometimes you don't have the time. Sometimes you just don't have the equipment. Sometimes you just don't have the skill yet because you haven't learned it. But if you're not willing to do the thing that isn't quite right, you're not going to get to the point that you can do the thing that is. I'm going to give you a really practical example. When I was still trying to do traditional publishing, one of the things I wanted to do was write a book and then write music to go along with it. Now that didn't really exist at the time. Like I was going to have to try to do CDs or something to give you an idea how long ago this was. Everybody told me it couldn't be done. I put it aside and I shouldn't have. What do you think podcasts are? Stories, high quality stories being told along with music, original music. It exists now. If I had stuck with it, I would have something to present to you today. As it is, I'll have something. I'm working on it. But the point is that I shouldn't have stopped just because people told me it couldn't be done. That was my mistake. Don't you make the same one. Good news though, if you did, it's not too late. You can start to do the thing now. Every time you make a project and it doesn't quite work or it isn't what you wanted, you still grew. You learned. Your talent got better. If you keep doing this, eventually you will find a way to do the thing that is in your head. It may not come out exactly the way you wanted, but it will come out. And everybody else won't know that it's different. They're just going to go, oh, neat. That's pretty cool. Don't give up on your ideas. Do not. Just be flexible about how they come out, what they look like, and how they have to be done. Your idea can happen. Which is pretty exciting, honestly. Speaking of your idea, have you worked on it yet today? It's not too late. Sit down with me now and let's make something new.